Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, Assalamu alaikum. You are watching Math with Yasir Arafat, and we have to discuss two important questions of exercise 8.3. So here, this is question number 4, 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, 6 times x plus 1 over 2x plus 3 equals to 7. In this exercise, we have 3 lectures here, one by one. So the first case we are going to discuss with you in exercise 8.3, that is question number 4 for 9th class. Dear students, first we have to focus this fraction. This is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, and this is x plus 1 2x plus 3. That means this is the numerator and here it is in denominator, and this is denominator, here it is in numerator. So this relation is called reciprocal relation between these two fractions. This fraction, it is the reciprocal of this fraction. For example, if we have to say that this is 3 upon 2, so what will be the reciprocal of 3 upon 2? It will be 2 upon 3. So the important case here, which we are going to discuss with you, reciprocal relation between two fractions. This is the first case of this 8.3 exercise in question number 4. So we have to suppose that this is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, it is equals to y, and this is, say, equation number 1. And why we have to do this activity? Please remember the case. Between these two fractions, they are reciprocal to each other, and I have explained what is the reciprocal when we have to change their numerator and the denominator. This is 2x plus 3, it is numerator. Now it will become the denominator. This is x plus 1, it is denominator. Now it has become the numerator. So this fraction is the reciprocal of this fraction. And for example, this fraction is given here 3 upon 2. So what will be the reciprocal of this? 2 upon 3. So in this situation, we have to suppose that one fraction, it is equals to y. One point you're supposed to remember in your mind, dear students, the variable which is given to you in the question, we cannot suppose that variable, okay? X is given, we have to suppose that the y. Y is given, then we have to suppose the variable, it is equals to x. Now this is y. Now here, focus here, this is y, because we have to take out 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, it is equals to y. And this is 6 times, this fraction is reciprocal of this fraction. So the y, the reciprocal of y will be 1 over y. That is equals to 7. Now 6 ones are 6 over y, it is equals to 7. There is no number, that means we have a 1. And just take out the LCM of two fractions. This is the ordinary LCM, y multiplied by 1, y. So this y multiplied by this y, so y into y, y square, bases are same, power will be sum up to each other. And now this is 6 ones are 6, it is equals to 7. Now we have to shift this y in denominator, we have to shift to the right hand side, so it will be multiply with the 7. So this is the 7y. Now we have to shift this 7y to the left hand side to write down the standard form here, and this is equal to 0. Now it becomes the quadratic equation. In quadratic equation, we have 3 methods here, and normally we have to use 2 methods. Number 1, to break the middle term there, and number 2, we can also apply the quadratic formula as well. So here 6 multiplied by y square, 6y square, we are going to break the middle term here. Y square means y into y, and this is 7, so 6 ones are 6, 6 and 1, it is 7. So we required minus 7. So this will be minus 6 minus 1. So this is minus 6y minus y plus 6, that is equal to 0. Now minus 6 minus 1, it is minus 7, minus 6 minus multiply by minus 1 plus 6y square. So this is the method to break the middle term here. If you have any problem, you can also apply the quadratic formula on this equation here. Now just take out y common. So this is y square. We have to take out y1 common. So remaining will be y 6. There is no common, that means 1 can be taken out common from everywhere. And then minus plus minus 6 equal to 0. Now take out y minus 6 common, whole bracket common, y minus 6 common, then y minus 1 equal to 0. So dear students, both factors are equal to 0, so they will be 1 by 1 equal to 0, then we have to find out their value. So this is y is equals to minus 6, we have to shift to the right hand side, we have to change its sign, minus 6 will be plus 1, plus 6. Minus 1, we have to shift to the right hand side, plus 1. So here, these are the values of y. So 1 by 1, these values we have to put in equation number 1 to find out the value of x here. So here, put y is equals to 6 in equation number 1. So here equation number 1 is 2x plus 3 divided by x plus 1, that is equals to y. And this is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, that is equals to 6. X plus 1, we have to shift to the right hand side, so it will be multiply with the 6. X plus 1. So this is 6 plus 3, 6 ones are 6, x, 6 ones are 6. Now we have to shift the variable, we have to separate the variable here. So this is plus 6, we will shift to the left hand side, it will be minus 6. Minus 2x. Minus 3, 4x, and this is equals to, x is equals to minus 3 upon 4. Now we have to put the another value, that is y. So put y is equals to 1 in equation number 1 again. So this is equation number 1, that is 2x plus 3 over x plus 1, it is equals to 1 because y it is equals to 1 here. Again we have to repeat the same activity here. This x plus 1 will multiply by 1, there is no change here. So we have to separate the variable. So this is 2x plus 6 plus x minus x. 1 plus 3, we have to shift to the right hand side, so that will be minus 2. This is the solution set here of this question, that is minus 2 minus 3 upon 4. Okay students, come to the another question with the same case here. Now see this is 2x square plus 1 over x square plus 1, and now it becomes x square plus 1, numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. This relation is called reciprocal relation among the two fractions there. So in this situation, we have discussed in the previous question, we have the same case with another question here. So we have to suppose 2x square plus 1 over x square plus 1 with the radical, that is equals to y. We cannot suppose this one equal to x because the variable x, it is given in the question. Okay, students, now focus again here. It is y plus 6, and the reciprocal of y, it will be 1 upon y. That is equals to 5. Now again the same situation here. 6 ones are 6 over y equals to 5. Now we have the denominator 1 if it is no denominator. Now y multiplied by 1, y. This is the ordinary LCM, just we have to multiply with the denominator, and then y multiplied by y, bases are same, power will be sum up to each other. So y multiplied by y, it is y square. 6 ones are 6. It is equals to 5. Now this is 5y, we have to shift this y to the right hand side. Now y square minus 5y plus 6, it is equal to 0. This y we have to shift to the left hand side. Now here, dear students, again we have a quadratic equation, y square minus 5y plus 6 equal to 0. So we have 3 methods, and normally we have to use 2 methods here. Number 1, you can apply the quadratic formula, and number 2, you can find out the solution by using middle term breaking. So y square multiplied by 6, 6y square. Factor of y square will be y into y. Now 6, we have to take out the factor of 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 plus 2, 5. We need minus 5. So minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. This is the procedure to find out the middle term break there. So y square, that is minus 3y minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 5. So here just take out the common here, y minus 3. Minus 2 common, y minus 3, it is equal to 0. So y minus 3, y minus 2 equal to 0. Here we have to take out common from here. This is y square. We have to take out 1y common. So what will be the remaining? 1y. And we have to take out this y. So just minus 3 is remaining here. From here, just we have to take out 2 common with negative sign. So we have to change the sign of the second variable as well. Y minus 3 common. So this is y minus 2. Both factors are equal to 0. So they will be 1 by 1 equal to 0. So y is equals to 3. Y is equals to 2. So here we have two values of x or of y, and 1 by 1 we have to put these two values in equation number 1. This is say equation number 1 to find out the value of x here. So put y is equals to 3 in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 2x square plus 1 over x square plus 1. That is equals to y. So 2x square plus 1 over x square plus 1. And what is the value of y? Is 3. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So just take out the square on both sides. 2x square plus 1 x square plus 1 to the whole square and 3 square. So this cancel out to this. 2x square plus 1 over x square plus 1, it is equals to 9, because this is 3 power 2. 3 power 2 means 3 multiplied by 3. So 2x square plus 1 equals to 9 times of x square plus 1. So this is 2x square plus 1, 9x square, and 9 ones are 9. Now separate the variable here. 1 minus 9, that is equals to 9x square minus 2x square. So this is minus 8 equals to 7x square. And this is minus 8 over 7x square. And the value of x is plus minus radical 8, because we have to take out the square root on both sides. This is the value of x when y it is equals to 3. Now we have to put the value of y is equal to 2 in equation number 1 again to find out the value of x. Okay students, now we have to put y is equal to 2 in equation number 1 again. So this is 2x square plus 1 over x square plus 1 in the radical, and this is 2. Squaring both sides again to remove the radical, because we have to find the value of x. Squaring both sides. So here, squaring both sides. Now the result, 2x square plus 1 and x square plus 1, it is equals to 4. The square of 2 means 2 multiplied by 2, it is equals to 4. And this is 2x square plus 1, 4 times x square plus 1. We have to shift this denominator to the right hand side. So this is 2x square plus 1, 4x square, 4 ones are 4. So again we have to separate the values here. This is 4x square minus 2x square. So 1 minus 4 means minus 3. 4x square minus 2x square, that is 2x square. So the value of minus 3 upon 2. So x is equals to radical, take out the radical on both sides. Directly we have to write down this question answer. So this is the value of x minus 3 upon 2. So the solution set of this question, number 1, minus 3 upon 2, and number 2, that is plus minus, we have to put here, that is plus minus minus 8 over 7 in the radical. So this is the answer of this question. Dear students, we have discussed 2 questions of this exercise. What was the case? They were reciprocal to each other. If you like this video, please share it and subscribe my channel Math with Yasir Arafat. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.